Hi everyone, welcome. I hope that you're doing really well today. I am so excited to be here with you today and I appreciate so much you stopping in. Today I am joined with some of my favorite girls here on YouTube. We are going to bring to you our 5 top favorite full foundations. We each have our own skin type. That way between all of us, we will be able to cover, hopefully, the majority of issues and questions when it comes to full coverage foundation for mature skin. It is no secret here on YouTube that I absolutely think the world of Nathalie, the beauty diva. She is one of the most amazing women, and it is definitely on my bucket list to get to meet her in person, hang out with her for a while, and of course, do some shopping. Nathalie always has it pulled together. She always has great topics and ideas to bring to you all, and I'm just thrilled to be a part of that. Today, once again, we are joined by Marlene. Marlene, Fab and Glam over 50, and she is just that, as I have said before. Marlene is an amazing lady. I just absolutely adore her. Marlene likes to take the time to really review things, check them out, and share her opinions on those products with us. Marlene really knows her stuff and she loves to bring that to us and share her information. And Michelle from Cinema Girl Beauty. I just love Michelle. She is one of the sweetest souls and kindest hearts that you will ever meet. Michelle is someone that when you tune in and watch her video, you feel like you are spending time with one of your close friends. She is just open, honest. She is there to share her opinions and thoughts on products that she gets to try. Michelle either wants to help us save money by deterring us if something isn't worth it, or in my case, she likes to help me spend money. So I love her and she's a great person. All 3 ladies are amazing. Please go check their channels out. I think that you will agree. They're just 3 amazing ladies, and I am so thrilled that I get to do this video with them. I would like to speak to you for a moment about my skin before I go any further. I love full coverage foundations. That started with me when I was quite young wearing makeup. I had severe cystic acne. It was horrible. I always had severely oily skin no matter what I did, no matter what I tried. And then it eventually, as I hit my 40s, started turning into a little more combination oily. And then in the past, I'd say 5 years, my skin started being, through the fall, the end of the fall and through winter, it started being a little more combination normal to just normal. If you go through the same thing with your skin that I do mine, and it tends to be oily and then goes to kind of a normal, but you don't want to buy 20 different foundations, which I don't mind buying 20 different foundations, but you know, some people think I have a problem too. So the first thing I would do, say I want to bring in one of my full coverage foundations right now, and it's been below 0, around 0. It's going to be below 0 for the next few days. And my skin is actually a little bit on the dehydrated side. It's not dry, but it's dehydrated, and there is a difference. So what I'm going to be doing, because I'm not going to give up my full coverage foundation, what I'm going to be doing is one of these things. I like to find a good spray that is going to refresh my face and make it feel hydrated. I have 2 here. Both are really nice. One is Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1. This is silicone-free, alcohol-free, and oil-free. So it is safe for just about anybody to use. You can use this before and after. It helps with hydration. It helps with transfer. It helps with your makeup application going on smoother. Really nice product. Now, if your face is a little more dehydrated, these next 2 I have been doing lately because my skin is so dehydrated because of the weather. This is Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. When I first heard about this, I was like, whatever, that's not going to make that much difference. It's a spray. Let's get serious. This makes a big difference. When I spray this on my face, it instantly doesn't have that, you know, when your skin feels dry and pulley, it loses that with this. I really do suggest this if you have more dehydrated skin right now, because it's very important for us to keep our skin hydrated, exfoliated, and ready for a full coverage foundation. So I've been spraying with this. I let that dry, and then I go in with the Smashbox Primer Oil. This is amazing. You can put this on before. You can actually take this and mix it with one of your foundations, or you can do both. It just depends on what condition your skin is in right now. That's the most important thing, especially wearing a full coverage foundation, is to know your skin. So I spray this on, let it dry, then I put this on, and then I can go in with one of my full coverage foundations. Okay, so let's get to what this is about. I'm going to share with you my 5 favorite full coverage foundations. I have 6, but I'm going to talk about 5. But if you happen to see another one floating around, then so be it. But I can only talk about 5, but there's another one. They're in no order, because I truly love them all. So let's start with one that I put in my 2017 beauty favorites from the higher end category, Laura Mercier. This is their, let me read it because it is a long title, Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Foundation. That is a lot. That is a lot. But this is a really good foundation. I love this. All of these foundations are no-brainers. I can put them on in the morning, I can set them, walk out the door, and I know that they're going to look good. I'm not going to have to worry about touch-ups all day. This one, this is new this year or last year? This year. Amazing foundation. It truly is amazing. I prefer this, the way this looks this time of year on me, when I do use these two together before I go in with this. I don't have to add the oil to this, just as long as it's on before, but this is just beautiful. It is so flattering to so many different skin types. I've used it on clients before and they absolutely love it. They go out and they get one. We can't be talking about full coverage foundations and not talk about this. This is Becca's Ultimate Coverage Complexion Cream. This is like, you don't get more full coverage. This is one of the top full coverage foundations that I own. It is beautiful on the skin. It covers everything. It is long wearing. It is gorgeous. I do really love this foundation. They have several different colors, several different undertones. It blends into your skin beautifully. It wears all day. I set all my makeup with powder. All those years of being oily, I set all my makeup with powder. But I'd say this is a semi-matte. This is a matte. The Laura Mercier is a matte. I also can't talk about this. This is Marc Jacobs Remarkable Foundation. The other two have pumps. This one, you just dip in. This foundation, I do suggest with this, don't go in and like dot it all over and then blend it. It dries pretty quick. So go in, work in sections. It has such a beautiful, flawless finish. It looks amazing all day, all night, so be it. I mean, it lasts all day. It is gorgeous on your skin. This is another one that you really need to watch. Make sure you have exfoliated, that your skin is hydrated, is moisturized before you go in with this, and you will have the prettiest result. Okay, I'm going to show you this, and you're going to be like, excuse me, Trish, that's a tint. You said full coverage. It has tint in the name. This is no tint. I have seen tints. This is Nars Velvet Matte Skin Tint. I love this foundation. This took the place of my Estee Lauder Double Wear. It has that kind of coverage, but on my skin, it looks better than the Estee Lauder. This is, as you can see, it is full coverage. It is ready for your day, for your night. It is not going to go anywhere. It is not going to break apart. None of these break apart. I'm not going to own a foundation for very long if it's going to break apart, because that is a big no-no. They have to go on for hours and hours and hours. Even after I'm no longer going, they still have to go. Everybody overlooks this because of the word tint. This is not a tint. This is a full coverage, long wear, beautiful semi-matte, well, velvet matte. Magic in a bottle, because your skin just looks gorgeous with this on. I love this foundation. Love it so much. And this is the last foundation. This is the 5th. Even though I have 6, I can only talk about 5. Even though I have 6. This is the Bare Minerals Bare Pro foundation. This is new out this year also. Comes in a pump. It blends in so nice, so pretty. I do have to use my NYX Pro Foundation mixer with this because it's not my shade right now. But it still has a little bit of a healthy sheen to it. It's a beautiful foundation. It wears all day. All of them are long wearing. Like I said, that's a must in my book. It comes in a lot of colors, although they are all very yellow based. I have 2 of these. I have Silk number 14 and Camel number 17. And I mean, they're so yellow. I wish they would come out with some that had a little more pink variation in there. But as far as the formula, it's gorgeous, full coverage, lasts all day, amazing. Those are the 5. I hope that you enjoyed this. Thank you so much, Natalie, for inviting me to join you ladies with this video. Marlene and MIchelle, it's been fun. This is our 2nd time go round with the 4 of us, and it's just an absolute blast. I love you all so very much. To you all, thank you so much for watching. Please go down to my description box. I'm going to have links to the other girls' videos. Go over and tell them hi. And I just think you'll really enjoy them all. I hope that you all have a really good day, and I will see you in the next video.